Hey, what's up? So today I'll be talking about the iPhone 7 hissing issue and how you can go about it to get it fixed. So first off, this is an issue that a lot of iPhone 7 users have been reporting. It is this hissing / ticking noise that comes out from the phone when your phone is running a lot of apps or just doing a lot of work in general. Sometimes this is also picked up from the video camera. When you're shooting video, this ticking noise is picked up in the background from the microphone. Now I do have a sample over here to show you. So yeah, that is a big problem. It's not something to be taken lightly. Now this is a huge problem, so do not sit on it. So what I want you to do is go and get it fixed. Now the only way you can do it is at an Apple store or service center. But the first thing I want you to do before you even leave your house to the Apple store or the service center is create a backup of your phone. Okay, because the first thing that they always do is blame it on the software, where it's clearly the problem of the microphone. So but regardless, they're gonna do what they're gonna do, and they'll reset your phone the first thing. So whatever you do, make a backup. Whether you do it from the iCloud, from iTunes, or any other way that you can make a backup, just do it and then go to the store. Now what you want to do after that is tell them it is not a software issue but a hardware issue with the microphone. I did the same. They tried blaming it on the software, said they'll update it on the software and all that stuff. They took an hour to do software wipes and reset the phone. Nothing happened. Later on, I had to submit the phone for a week and a half. Basically, they told me they're going to replace the screen and give it back to me, and that should fix the problem. I have the ticket right here. It says that they have successfully located the problem and changed the display, and the issue shouldn't be a problem. Well, here we are. The sound's still coming. So the only way you can actually get this fixed is by asking for a replacement piece. Not a replacement of a part, something, but a replacement piece. Now, do note that my phone is covered in the Apple warranty, but if you have Apple Care or you're still running the warranty, go get it checked out. If not, I'm pretty sure they will charge a little extra, but definitely get it looked out. I'll drop a link down below to one of the discussions where a lot of people are facing this problem. The thing is, a lot of people take it lightly. One of the users said he'll just live with the problem until Apple brings it up, officially. Well, do not do that. Do not sit on the problem. If the ticking sound remains, go to the Apple store and tell them it's a legit problem. Okay? Take different samples of videos. Take a video sample on your phone with the ticking issue and another phone which doesn't have that, and compare it to them, because you have to prove it to them that this is an issue. Okay, so the more you sit back, the more you accept this, Apple's not going to solve it. So please bring this issue to light and do not sit on it. So that's how you get rid of the iPhone 7 hissing issue. You go to the Apple store and ask for a replacement piece for your phone. So that's it. But again, the main reminder, make a backup before going to the Apple store. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.